When I was 11 years old, I was diagnosed with Ewing Sarcoma, which is a type of bone cancer that's typically found in children. It was completely by chance that it was found. So I started the treatment with several rounds of chemo. I would go to the hospital for 5 to 7 days at a time. It was challenging. I felt very sick from it. I lost all my hair. And after several rounds of chemo, they decided it was time to do the surgery. It was really tough when I lost my hair. That was really tough, and I knew it was coming, especially as an 11-year-old girl. The first thought when hearing that you had cancer is, well, I'm going to lose all my hair. So that was tough, and after the surgery was tough because I think it's just part of being a kid. You don't think of what's going to happen after. I knew I was having surgery, but I don't think I realized how it would affect me for the rest of my life. But I had faith in the care team, and I felt very lucky to have them. Several members of the care team had children around my age, and I felt like I was being cared like I was their child. I don't know how I would have gotten through my treatment or my surgery without my parents or my siblings. I would tell another child that was going through what I went through to let your parents be there for you, to let your friends be there for you, not to worry over the small things. Your hair will grow back. As an 11-year-old, I was just a kid, but I also like to be an informed kid. So I would always ask what was going in my IV, what it did, how it worked, and there were some nurses that were more willing to share that information with me than others. And because of the care that I received from them, I did become a nurse myself. When I went to nursing school, I always knew I wanted to go into pediatrics. I always talked to the child. It doesn't matter how old they are, I always explain what's going on. I always talk directly to them. I always ask for information from them because they're my patient. You can live a happy, fulfilled life. And if I could go back to 11-year-old me, I would tell myself that it was all going to be okay.